everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we are sitting in a 1965 Ford Mustang. This car has a 302 under the hood with an automatic transmission on the floor. This car has a beautiful gray exterior with a nice red interior. This car has the nice gauges in it. This car is a great runner and driver. Power brakes, power steering, AC, everything. This car also has a stereo system in it with a retro radio. This car also features some really nice aluminum bullet hole wheels. But I'm going to give you guys a quick brake test really quick to show you guys how good these brakes actually are. And now I'm going to head back to the shop, put on the lift, and show you guys the underneath.